Tired of throwing money at Google Ads and not knowing if your call-only ads are actually driving business? Integrating Plaid with your Google Ads account lets you track calls as conversions, giving you the power to optimize your ad spend like never before. Here's how. First, you'll need a Plaid account. If you don't have one, head over to Plaid.com and sign up. It's quick and easy. Once you're in Plaid, securely link your business bank account. Plaid acts as a secure bridge, allowing us to verify call-related transactions. Don't worry, Plaid uses bank-level security. Next, in your Google Ads account, navigate to Tools and Settings, then Conversions. Click the plus button to create a new conversion. Choose phone calls as your conversion source. Select calls to a phone number on your website. Now, name your conversion something clear like Plaid Call Conversion. Set the value for each call and choose your call length criteria. The longer the call, the more likely it is to be a quality lead. Time to add the conversion tracking tag to the website to confirm the link. Now, the magic happens. Plaid cross-references call data with transaction information from your linked bank account. This allows Google Ads to accurately attribute calls to specific ads, keywords, and campaigns. By tracking these conversions, you'll gain invaluable insights into which ads are generating real revenue-driving calls. This is all data you can use to refine your campaigns, increase your ROI, and stop wasting money on underperforming ads. Plaid and Google Ads, a powerful combo for call-only ad success.